Kuzambo and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do so in order to get the updates. So right now I'm in the science lab of Umling MSS. Since the school is recently upgraded, we have only limited resources here. So with the help of these limited resources, today I'm going to demonstrate and show you how the current and voltage passes through the series circuit. In order to demonstrate the current flow and voltage in the series circuit, I have arranged the materials required out here. So firstly we need the ammeter, and we need voltmeters, and we need battery. I have 3 batteries here, and I'm going to use 2 batteries. So I do not have the battery holder, and so for that purpose I have already connected the batteries with the help of masking tape, and I have these connecting wires. So I have a switch here, and I have 2 torch bulb with the bulb holder, and I have markers to mark the ammeter and voltmeter. So I have the scissors and some tapes, masking tapes. So in order to cut the wires and in order to tape the materials, I have this one. So in order to demonstrate the current flow and voltage in the series circuit, we actually need 2 ammeter and 2 voltmeter. So I have around 4 ammeters, 5 ammeters. So I have marked ammeter 1 and ammeter 2. The rest are kept as spare. If this 2 does not work, I'm going to use that. So I have also 3 voltmeter, and I have marked voltmeter 1 and voltmeter 2. So if this 2 does not work, I'm going to use the other one. Now I'm going to start my setup. So in order to make the circuit diagram easier, so in order to make the circuit connection easier, firstly we are going to complete the circuit without connecting the voltmeter. So if we connect ammeter and voltmeter together simultaneously, it will be a bit confusing. So for that reason I am not connecting voltmeter at first, and it will be easier if we connect the voltmeter later. Finally, I have done with the circuit connection. So it starts from the battery, and battery goes from battery. It goes to switch. From the switch, this is the positive terminal of the battery, and it should be connected to the positive terminal of ammeter 1, and it goes to second ammeter through the bulb 1, and again from the second ammeter it goes to second bulb, and finally it reaches back to the negative terminal of the battery. Let us try to check our circuit. I put it on. When we put this on, you could see the bulb. Right? In the series circuit, throughout the circuit, the current flow will be same. The current will be flowing quietly throughout all the circuit. So let us try to see that. So this shows the current flow in the first bulb. This shows around 5 deflections, and the second ammeter shows the current flow through this second bulb. So this also shows around a 5 deflection, which shows that the current flow in the series circuit is equal. Now I'm going to connect the voltmeter 1 here and voltmeter 2. finally completed connection of voltmeter. So I've connected the voltmeter out here in the bulb 1 parallel to the bulb 1, positive out here, negative out here, and voltmeter 2 to bulb 2. So the voltmeter has to be always connected parallel to the bulb, parallel in the circuit, and ammeter is always connected to series. So let us see what happens when you switch on the switch. I'm putting back the switch here. So now current have already started flowing. So we have this first bulb glowing, and we have second bulb glowing, and we see some deflection in voltmeter 2, we see some deflection in ammeter 2, we see some deflection in voltmeter 1, we see some deflection in ammeter 1. So let us try to see what happens in the what happens to the current and what happens to the voltage in the series circuit. So as I already mentioned, the current flowing through the circuit is same, which means the ammeter 1 shows 5 number of deflection, and the ammeter 2 also shows 5 deflection, which means the current flowing through both the bulbs, bulb 1 and bulb 2 are same. The current is equally flowing through the circuit. Now let us try to see what is the reading shown in the voltmeter 1 and voltmeter 2. So let us try to see. So in the voltmeter 1, it shows around 5 deflection. It shows around 5 deflection in bulb 1, and in the voltmeter 2 it shows around 7 deflections, which means the voltage received in the bulb 2 is greater than the voltage received in the bulb 1. So therefore when the bulb receives the higher voltage, it glows brighter, and when it receives the lower voltage, it glows dimmer. So in the series circuit, the current, we conclude that the current is flowing equally through the circuit and the voltage is distributed. Let's try to remove one of the bulbs. We try to remove the bulb number 1. Let us see what happens to the bulb number 2. So when I remove the first bulb, the second bulb has also started glowing. So let us try to put it again. When you put the first bulb again, the second bulb also glows, start to glow. So which means in the series circuit, if any appliances or any bulb or in the circuit damages, or if it is removed, the other appliances also stop functioning. So this is the main reason why we do not use the series circuit in our household wiring. So I hope you have got something from today's lesson, and that's all for today. Hope you will keep following me. Thank you.